Should you learn to drive in a manual car or should you learn to drive in an automatic? Get this decision wrong and it could end up costing you a lot of time and money and take a lot longer to get your driving license than it needs to. My name is Mustafa. I'm a driving instructor with over 9 years experience, so I've pretty much seen it all. And in this video, I'll be giving you all the pros and cons of doing manual versus automatic and vice versa. And at the end, I'll be sharing a story with you that will help you to understand exactly which one I think you should choose and why. Okay, so let's get on to it. The first reason for choosing to do manual rather than automatic is that if you learn to drive in a manual and pass your driving test in a manual car, what it does is it allows you to drive both an automatic and a manual. Whereas if you pass your driving test in an automatic car, you only get to drive an automatic car and would need to redo your driving test in a manual car and pass in order to be able to drive a manual car in the future. The second big benefit of passing in a manual car is that traditionally it's been a lot cheaper to buy a manual car, to insure a manual car, and to repair a manual car if something goes wrong with it, compared to automatics, which have been a lot more expensive in the past. And the third reason, and one which is often understated but it really lives in the heart of people, is that there's ego attached, that many people are told that if you don't pass in a manual car, it's not real driving. Passing an automatic is cheating. Okay, so having looked at the 3 reasons why people think you should drive and pass in a manual rather than automatic, now let's look at the benefits of passing an automatic. So the first one is that if you do automatic lessons, it's easier, and because it's easier, it will take you less lessons. Less lessons means that you're going to save money on driving lessons compared to passing in a manual car. So money saving straight away compared to potential future savings when you actually buy the car. Reason number 2, because learning to drive in an automatic car is easier, it's going to take you less time. So not only will you save money on driving lessons, it means that you potentially get to get your license quicker and enjoy the benefits of finding your independence and freedom on the road quicker as well. And the third and final reason, passing in an automatic is easier. Now, who wants hard when you have easy? As human beings, that's what we always strive towards, is trying to make things easier for ourselves. And now, as promised, I said I would share a story with you that will help you understand where my perspective lies. So, I've always been an automatic instructor since I started instructing around about almost 10 years ago now. But I myself passed my driving test in a manual car, even though it took me 5 attempts, 4 years, and 4 theory tests to get it done. And I always believed in the traditional reasons for passing in a manual car. But around about 8 years ago, when I was teaching one of my students to drive in an automatic, he was an IT professional, very smart guy, and I told him after a few lessons that, look man, you're doing really well. Why are you learning to drive in an automatic when clearly you could hack a manual? And he said something to me that will live with me forever. He said to me, I see manual like a bug. And he said that in a world of word processing, why would you go back and learn to use a typewriter? And that changed my perspective so much. And once he said that, it made me think that if I was a young man today learning to drive, I'd like to think that I would have the wisdom to choose automatic rather than manual, because it just makes way more sense with the way the world is going. Having said that, if you have got a reason for learning manual, like you need to drive a manual car because maybe there's already a manual car in your family and you don't want to go and buy a second one, then maybe manual makes sense for you. But for most people, automatic is the future. If you found the video helpful, then please subscribe so YouTube reminds you whenever I upload more driving test videos every week. I recommend you to watch the cockpit drill video next if you've not already seen it and just start your driving lessons, because that will give you a good understanding as to what happens in your first driving lesson. And if you're preparing for your driving test, then I advise you to check out my book. The link is below. In that book has all the advice which I was given many years ago when I was filling my own driving test again and again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, and God bless.